Hi friends, hope you're all doing very well. I just wanted to share a little piece of our lives with you all, and hence I've put up this video. We spent the August and long weekend in Dorset in southern England, and I just wanted to share a few pics and clips of this amazing place. On day one, we were at the Poole Harbour, such a beautiful place, lovely beach, great pubs and restaurants. We had so much fun. The weather was lovely too. It was partly sunny and partly cloudy. Couldn't be more pleasant. We engaged in many different activities and had lots of amazing food. We then went fishing and got lots of crabs, although I was really nervous about those because I hadn't done that before, but it was an amazing experience. However, we did let them go back into the sea afterwards after a bit of fun. We walked around the sea beach, we collected lots of beautiful shells, we went shopping, had ice creams. Later, we chilled out in the pub, had beer, and also had some chips and snacks for tea. The city was buzzing, full of visitors holidaying. It was really good to see such a crowd after the dull and lonely lockdowns of the corona period. The day ended with a perfect dinner, although the more I think of it, the more I worry about the calories now. Anyway, check out this video of the pleasant sea beach, screeching seagulls, and the buzz. It was fantastic. On day two, we went out to Door, also in Dorset, around 40 minutes drive from Poole, and it was lovely too. So I'll be putting out another video of the amazing experience at Door very soon, so do stay tuned. And if you're liking my videos, please do give it a thumbs up.
I want to do some fishing.